hello, YouTube friends and family. We are here. And yes, I went back to Aldi this week. Yes, I did. I went back to Aldi this week. And, more clearance. Yes, we are here, more clearance. So, I'm going to get this stuff. I'm going to show you everything. I'm looking at the receipt to remember some of the prices. But these were on sale. And we have the crinkle cut zucchini. So tell me how these tasted, because they were down to $1.69 a bag. I bought 4 bags of zucchini. And then we have the carrot. See, I need to switch hands. We have the carrot coins. So they're like a battered carrot, tempura battered carrot. And they're made for cooking in the air fryer. So I'm excited to try those. Maybe some tonight, to be truthful. So these were $1.69 a bag, marked down on clearance. And I bought like 6 bags between the two. So this was this bag organizer. You can hang it on the door inside the cabinet. $4.99 for acacia wood. You can roll up your trash bags, and then you could stuff your grocery bags in here from the top and pull them out the side. That seems like a mess. So I would prefer just putting 2 rolls of trash bags in here. But to each his own. But it is very nice acacia wood. So I was happy to grab that for $4.99, half price. So here, these. I brought these last time, and they are still there, y'all. They are still there. And you know what? They cheaper than the Dollar Tree right now. 119 cents. Yes, 119 cents. $1.19. Okay? So I bought 3 of those. I bought the white one because that was the last one left. And then I bought 2 more black ones because they... Actually, I only bought 2 of those. I bought a black one and a white one because I already had a black one from the previous week when I spent $2.19 instead or something like that. So those are cool. Make a cool gift. You can actually plant them up and give somebody an herb garden. Now, planning for the summer. And I got, put this receipt down because I know how much mostly everything was. So I got these. So these are Disney Princess shades. And this was the last pair of Minion shades. And I actually have a little concept that I wanted to do for some special child that I'll find later. But I had a concept that I wanted to do, and this would go good with that concept. Despicable Me Minions. And then we have the Disney Princess Ariel shades. And I'm showing y'all way too much in them glasses. But yes. So they're cute for $2. Okay. Then I don't want to put them on the floor. Running out of space. I've been going through hauls. Okay, that's better. So I got those. Now we really cheaper than the Dollar Tree on this. 50. Now remember the last one was 69 cents. 59 cents. 59 cents. So I bought several because these would go very well in a gift basket. Yes, they would. Housekeeping, college people going to get an apartment, straight into an apartment or college graduates going to live on their own. You got 59 cents for that. 59 cents for these. And 59 cents for these. Cheaper than Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or anybody else you could try to go to. 59 cents each. So I bought, and I left some too. I bought actually more because I done gave a set away. So I bought 4 of these 3 of each of these other things. 3 each of these other things. Well, actually 4 of everything. And then I already gave away a whole set. So, yes, we got those. And then the garden pellets. Yes, I still do my gardening. And I buy supplies at all times. So you get 96 seed starting pellets in here. 96 of them for 99 cents. Penny a pellet. Penny a pellet. Now, have you ever used these? If so, let me know if they work in the comments below. But 99 cents, cheaper than the Dollar Tree, better than the Dollar Tree. I would hope. I would think. And the last thing I bought was this Work Zone interlocking tool organizer. So, screws, nails, other little gadgets and gadgets. With the tool chest, you got the whole set. Great Father's Day gift. This was $4.49. And remember the tool bag last week was $11.50. Great Father's Day gift. Add this to it. Amazing Father's Day gift. So you get all 3. They latch to each other on the side. And you can keep it all together. And per the photo, you can hold like wrenches and stuff like that. So you see the photo. So that was all for that. And I would like to give a shout out to a company that's been sending me stuff for a little while. It was almost, well, I think they were the second people to actually send me some free stuff. And I want to give a shout out to them. Super clean, super clean, super clean. Now, I used this stuff when I was pressure washing my patio, and it worked well. So I like pre-treated the bad spots when I was pressure washing my sidewalks, my driveway, and everything like that. It's biodegradable detergents. It's supposed to be kind of natural, biodegradable detergents. So I use this on my concretes when I was trying to get them clean from pressure washing them. And it worked as a great pre-treatment. So if you ever see these products in Walmart, go ahead, pick them up, give them a try, and see if you like them. Thank you so much for Super Clean for sending me your products. So I have, that is all I have for the Aldi haul. I spent $42.39, and I actually got the food this time. So if you like this video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, hit that like button. And remember, we can always do better than the Dollar Tree. We can get everything we need for cheaper than $1 if you follow me. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. Check out all my uploads. Go back and check out some old uploads, some life advice uploads, some gardening playlists, and go subscribe to my gardening channel, JC in the Garden. So I'll teach you how to grow some food. Now I'm finna go eat one of them peaches I picked the other day. They were so delicious. They made me want to cry. And I do thank you. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. And as always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Bye-bye.